Welcome to the new Salto podcast, where we explore trending topics in innovative access control and smart building solutions. Today, we're talking about cloud-based and on-premise access control. What are the differences between the two? How about the pros and cons of both? And how can organizations pick the right option for their buildings? Let's dive in.
Unblocking Talks, a podcast by Salto.
As always, I have Alex with me. Hi, Alex. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Excited to be in this new episode.
So today, we'll be taking a closer look at the different types of access control solutions available on the market and which option is best for your needs. To do that, we'll discuss mainly two solutions, cloud-based and on-premise solutions. Will there be a winner, Alex?
I can't reveal that. Our audience will have to follow us to find out.
Fair enough, Alex. Let's start then.
Access control is a vital part of the operations and security systems in any modern building. The popularity of cloud-based technology and the rising demand for smart buildings today means that smart access solutions are quickly gaining traction across various industries. But choosing the right access control solution can be a complicated process. Building operators need to consider many different factors like cost, use case, installation size, technology, integrations, and security before making their pick. However, they first have to choose between cloud-based or on-premise access control.
Before comparing these two solutions, could you explain each of them a bit more?
Of course, cloud-based access control solutions store software and data in the cloud. This simply means they are hosted on remote servers, which provides an extra layer of security. Essentially, cloud-based systems let you manage and control access to your building, devices, and data from anywhere with an internet connection. They also don't need any physical infrastructure to run, making them convenient, easy to set up and use, and very cost-effective, especially if you oversee multiple facilities.
Interesting.
Cloud-based solutions typically utilize software as a service platforms, ensuring the system is always secure and up to date. You can access them from anywhere, no matter where you are. All you need is an internet connection to manage your installation in real time.
What strengths does it have?
They offer a lot of other benefits. First and foremost, they are highly scalable. You can easily add or remove users, locations, and resources as needed. They are also quite flexible. By relying on a cloud service provider to maintain the underlying infrastructure, businesses are free to focus on their core operations.
Putting myself in the shoes of a building operator, I wonder, what about its compatibility with other systems? And also, what about the cost?
Good point. Another strength is their seamless integration with other systems. You can quickly connect your access control system to other cloud-based services like your property management system, intercoms, video surveillance, visitor management, or intrusion detection systems. Lastly, regarding the cost, using a cloud-based solution will help you save money. That's because they require much less upfront investment compared to other options. They are also designed to be fast, efficient, and user-friendly, allowing for easy setup, configuration, and use.
I believe those two are really important points. Now let's shift our focus to on-premise access control solutions.
So here, an organization handles the installation and management of the access control infrastructure itself. The IT infrastructure is hosted on-site too. On-premise access control systems consist of hardware and software installed on the organization's own servers. You can access them through a local network.
What would be its biggest advantage?
The most important one is that they give you complete control, enabling you to customize the solution to meet your specific security needs. Next, they offer enhanced security. In on-premise systems, all access control data is stored within your organization's network and infrastructure. They are a great way to reduce potential points of vulnerability.
This would seem to be really effective.
Yes, it is. On-premise solutions excel in performance as well. Since they don't require an internet connection, they are much more reliable. Another pro is that they provide extensive customization options. This lets you tailor them to the unique requirements of your industry or organization.
Is this also compatible with other systems?
Yes, they are designed to be compatible with a range of security systems and hardware. As a result, you can easily and seamlessly integrate on-premise solutions with other building management technologies.
So here comes the big question, Alex. Which option would you choose?
Yes, the big question is not easy. Let's see. When choosing between cloud-based and on-premise access control solutions, there are several factors to consider. These include the size of the organization, the number of locations, the industry application, the security requirements, and the integration capabilities. Cloud-based access control solutions are more practical for small to medium-sized organizations or decentralized facilities with multiple locations, since they require minimal hardware infrastructure and software maintenance. They take some of the burden off your IT staff. Yes, but on the other hand, larger organizations may find on-premise access control more suitable. With more complex security requirements, the ability to customize and have greater control over the entire security infrastructure makes on-premise solutions a better bet for bigger operations.
In conclusion, each situation is different, isn't it?
Yes, and whether you opt for a cloud-based or on-premise system, Salto offers a broad range of smart access control solutions for businesses and organizations on 3 main platforms: Salto Space On-Premise and Salto KS, and Salto HomeLock cloud-based solutions.
We've reached the end, guys. Thank you, Alex, for this chat and for your patience.
Thank you, and thanks to our audience for listening.
As always, thank you all.
Unlocking Talks, a podcast by Salto.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Salto podcast. We hope you found this breakdown informative and insightful. Make sure to check our blog, where you can read our full analysis on this topic. For more episodes like this, check us out on Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Ready to go keyless? Join us again soon for our next episode. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.